Okay.
Alright, good morning guys. Here's another day with Judy and her husband. My husband.
Good morning. So right now we're on our way to Home Depot to pick up more paint. Venimos en la creeper. I call it the creeper because it looks like the pedophile van. We're gonna pick out the lighting that we want, and I want this one because it does that for when we watch movies. It looks cozier. Or which one? The mood light?
Cool.
I want that one.
Esta se puede hacer hasta en la cocina.
Yeah? I think those are little, huh?
Oh yeah.
Who looks square? No sirve, or is it going to the beach? Can we get some painter pants since we're gonna paint the house? No. Those are like the ones we have. I want it simple.
Nice and simple?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I think this one. No, we have like the skinny one right now. But I feel like this one's simple. We stopped at Starbucks and I saw la comadre Lulu get this cup. It's so cute, and I got the last one, and it's a good size. I was scared it was gonna be huge, but it's a good size. No, es que está caro el güey, $15 por un vasito, but I really liked it.
I like cans. A lot of people say that's muy old school, but I like the retrofit. The look.
Alright, this is the after. Again, I didn't want to record too much because I feel weird. I just don't want them to feel weird, you know, like somebody's recording them. But they only did this part, the dining area and the living room. And obviously they still have to like smooth it and, you know, finish. But yeah, this is the aftermath. This is how messy it gets. Alright guys, this is where the big hole was at, here in the kitchen, on top of the kitchen. It was like if nothing was there, you know. And yeah, we just need to paint the roof, but all of the drywall is, I mean the what is it called? The popcorn ceiling is gone. It makes it look so much better. Can't wait to paint.
Ando cagando.
This is how it's looking. We did run out of paint, but we went and got some more. This is the one that we're using. This is the one that I used for my room, for the beauty room. It's the Ultra Pure White Flat.